Hey, investors, do you need some capital? Well, I'm Miss B, the Money Lady, and today on Money Moves, we're going to talk about investors' capital and how to unlock capital to invest in real estate. One of the things that individuals always want to know when we are working with them about getting access to capital is what type of loan is available for investors that write off everything on their tax returns, right? We talked about people that are self-employed earlier and how a lot of times it's difficult for them to walk in the bank because they have, reduced their income, their earned income of trying to avoid to pay taxes. Well, one of the ways that you can unlock capital is by doing what we call a DSCR loan. Now, let me go a little bit further in that. DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. And what it means is that if you are buying an investment property and the rent will cover that mortgage, guess what? You can get approved for that loan. As long as the rent can cover the mortgage, then you can get approved to either take cash out, meaning you can refinance something you already have that's rented out, or you can purchase a new property. Okay. Now, a lot of people come and they think, okay, if I'm going to buy investment properties, I don't need any money. Not true. Okay. You always have to make an investment. That's what it means. You invest so that you can get a return on that investment. That means you got to put something in order to get something out. Right? So with the investor's capital, the DSCR loan, if you're purchasing, then you will have to put down at least 20% if you're buying. 20% down payment is what you're going to need. Now, you say, well, I don't have 20%. I already own my home. I got some equity in my home. HELOC would come in, right? Because you could take money out of that existing property that you already have in the form of a second lien. You could use that money to put down on a new house that you want to buy as an investment property. And that's called using your investor's capital, and you're making it work, right? And that's how you unlock capital for investing in real estate, is that you take money from one place and you put it down on another one to increase or build wealth. So that's the DSCR program. Now I'm going to talk with you about a couple of more programs that we have strictly for investors. Another popular program is a bridge loan. Think about a bridge. If you think about a bridge takes you from one place to another, right? And generally that bridge is going to be very high in the sky, right? Because it's trying to avoid what's down on the ground, right? It is taking you over. Bridge loan it gives you investor capital so it can bridge the gap. It bridges the gap. It allows you to buy a property that may need some work, meaning carpet, paint, it may need a total renovation. That bridge loan will allow you to get some money to bridge the gap so that you can fix that property up and then purchase another property, or you can refinance it once you get it fixed up. That's called a bridge loan. And we have a lot of investors that love the bridge loan. The interest rate is a little bit higher, but you know what? So what? As long as it's bridging the gap that you need to get from one place to another. The third and final loan that we're going to talk to you about today is construction loans, okay? A lot of people right now are looking for ways that they can invest by building new construction, putting products on the ground. If you are an investor and you want to actually build a home, then we have construction loans available for you to do just that. You can do a single family home, you can do a multifamily home, you can build 10 units, you can build 20 units, okay? We can help you with an investor loan so that you can do new construction. Now, we have some great products for investors. We can help you access capital, but the first thing you want to do is schedule an appointment with one of our consultants. That way you can find out exactly which one of these programs will work best for you and what you're trying to accomplish. We're standing by and we're wanting to help you build that investor's capital. So if you're looking to unlock some capital to invest in real estate, reach out to us. We're waiting for you to do that. Now, I know you say, well, I'm ready for the investor's capital. I'm ready to unlock some capital so that I can invest in real estate. Well, if you're ready to do that, we are offering a free guide for investors that are looking to unlock capital. All you have to do is download the free guide. It's completely free. And we will give you the information that you need in order to get started. So go to our website, capitalcitymtg.com, and look in the top right corner and you'll see a button that says free downloads. And that is where you will get the information about investors capital.